Julian Assange is a step closer this morning to being extradited from the UK to the US. A court in London this morning issued a formal order formally approving his extradition. The UK Home Secretary is expected to approve it, but it does fall to him to decide whether to grant the extradition. And that would mean the WikiLeaks founder could be sent to the US to be tried on spying charges. Dominic Velitis is on the story. He's in our bureau in London this morning. Dom, tell us a little bit more about what happened this morning. It was breaking news in the Westminster Magistrates Court.
Yeah, good morning, Heather. Well, this was a brief hearing at Westminster Magistrates Court here in central London earlier. The Chief Magistrate there didn't take long at all to formally approve Julian Assange's extradition to the United States, where, of course, he faces those charges of espionage. He wasn't actually physically in court today. We're told he followed the hearing via video link from Belmarsh Prison, a prison which is used for the really high-profile cases here, especially those where national security issues are concerned. All that said, Heather, it's not a done deal yet. It will now be down to Britain's Home Secretary Priti Patel to approve the extradition order. That will take some time. And as you know, Heather, this has been going on for quite some time already. He has been trying to halt his extradition through the courts for several years now, and there has been lots of legal toing and froing with his case. Last year, it looked at one point if he was going to avoid being sent to the US after a judge blocked his extradition on the grounds that he was at real risk of committing suicide if he was sent to the US. But the United States was allowed to appeal that decision. The High Court here then ruled in their favour. Then the UK's highest court, the Supreme Court, got involved, eventually confirming that Assange's legal team could not appeal that decision, which leads us to today and Westminster Magistrates' move to formally approve his extradition, Heather.
Are there any remaining legal avenues, though, at this point for Julian Assange, Don?
Yeah, I mean, as I say, it's not a done deal yet, Heather. Today's ruling means Assange is really just a step closer to being sent to the United States. It will now be down to Britain's Home Secretary Priti Patel to approve the extradition order issued today by Westminster Magistrates. Assange still has legal options. You're quite right. In fact, his legal team now has 4 weeks to make submissions, to make representations to the Home Secretary. And if Priti Patel does sign the order off, they could even launch another appeal to the High Court. So this isn't over yet, Heather.
Dominic Velitis in London, thank you very much.